Model, 2018 Mercedes Sprinter 314 CDI long wheelbase non-runner Euro 6 ULEZ Starstruck. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 262,150. Engine, 2,143 CCOM 651,140 HPM I2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, engine has seized, the engine will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,475 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972 3.